Hey, welcome back, guys. Today, let's explore how to create an awesome Instagram reel. So, first things first, hit that plus button to add a new post. Once you're in, go ahead and add your reel content. Now, here comes the fun part, choosing the music. You've got a bunch of options, from trendy tunes to something that fits your vibe. For this reel, let's go with the classic Jingle Bell. Now, click those 3 stars. Here's where the magic happens. Choose your lighting, from soft skylight to summer vibes. Pick the filter that suits your style. Next up, let's spice it up with some emojis. Explore the options and add a touch of fun to your reel. Heading over to the letter A, it's time to write on your post. Share what your reel is all about. And hey, don't forget the caption. Write something catchy that goes with your reel's vibe. Feeling social? Tag some awesome people. Add a message button, drop a location. You can even cross-promote on Facebook. And for the pros out there, dive into the advanced settings. Once your caption is on point and you've explored all the options, hit that share button. Quick heads up, it might take a bit to update on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy exploring!